Let's get into this. I'm giving like Scary Spice vibes, right? This color popping though. Look, get into it. Get into it. You here for the curls, you here for the color. I'm here for it all, like girl.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Sitting with the enemy, but I can be mistaken. I'm living in a dream. This world is mine for taking. You feel my energy. Ain't got no time for wasting. I know they into me. Ain't got no time for waiting. I've been creating my fate and they finna find out. They can't relate and debate because they're behind now. I feel the weight of the hate and they finna lie down. I carry pain on my shoulders and in my eyes now. Find out how it feels just sitting with the lights out. My doubt how it feels just sitting when the fight's out. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. Even though my time is borrowed, I'm hoping I see tomorrow. Got no pride or breath to swallow or wallow inside the sorrow. Days turn to nights and when the lights get low, pray that I just might ignite the life in this enclosure. Weighing me down, lifting me up, staying profound while I'm living my love. You already know how I've been giving it up. You can steady show my glow, I'm lifting it up. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. So today the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this pretty little thing that's on my head. This is yet another one from the Outre Converti Cap collection. I'm wearing this one in the color DR Ginger Coffee, which is gorgeous. Look at this color. So you do get 3 combs at the top of the unit, 1 right in the middle and 2 on the sides. You do also get 1 in the back as well as the drawstring. So this unit definitely is small, medium, and big head friendly. You can pretty much just wear it as you like, manipulate it to your liking, so it's extremely versatile. The texture on this is definitely feeling a bit synthetic, if you feel me. It's a little bit hard, and the more that you comb the curls out, it does get a fuzziness to it, but I actually like that because I feel like it makes it look a bit more realistic. The length on it, as you can see, is coming just above my boob, so it's definitely a natural length. The density on it, if I had to guess, I want to say it's about 150%. It's definitely not too full, but it's not too thin either. So to be honest, I really don't have any cons with this unit. I feel like it was affordable. It's super versatile. I think the color is gorgeous. I really like the curl pattern. I'm not the biggest fan of the texture, but like I said, it's synthetic and it's curly, so you kind of get what you get. I like the fact that it's small, medium, and big head friendly. I really like the length of it, the density. It's giving me like realistic human hair vibes at a synthetic cost, so I'm absolutely all here for that. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below know any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.